What is up? Colby Sharp, 5th grade teacher. Welcome. Trying to help kids fall in love with reading here. One way that we do that is by talking about awesome books. And today we're going to be opening up a bunch of Kidlit book mail. And hopefully we can find some awesome books to help kids fall in love with reading. Pretty much all of these books, this is the question I get the most, were sent to me by the publishers. So thank you, publishers. Hopefully we can find some great books and then we'll buy them all and then everyone can be happy. And it's a win-win. And the author can make a living and we can have great books and kids can fall in love with reading. Let's start off. The new book in the Kirby Larson Shinji Fujioka series. Very exciting. Right? Always looking for great chapter books. Like, look at this. This is the Not So New Kid. Like, isn't this just beautiful? Just to see that amount of text on a page. Thinking about kids falling in love with reading chapter books on their own. Let's go! Congrats, Kirby. Kirby's one of my favorite humans on the earth. Oh, I know I got a 5th grader. We're on summer now, and I got a 5th grader, and he's going to want to read this. If their life was a series, this would be the end. Ready? I might actually have to send his mom a message and see if I can drop it off because I think he's really, 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 really going to want to read this. So we'll have to do that. I'm probably going to do that tonight. Send the mom a message, drop it off tomorrow. Let's go. I loved Four Eyes, the first book in the series. It's called Four Eyes, right? I think so. I'm so excited. Pizza. Oh no, is he getting some zits? That's tough. I'm so excited to read this book though. Let's go. Makes me want to read Four Eyes again. So many great graphic novels these days for kids. We're off to a great start, Kidlit book mail, friends. Off to a great start. Let's see what we have here. The Worst Ronin. Look at that. Looks like another comic. Yes, it says being a samurai isn't easy. You probably can already think of the kids going to love that. Awesome-tastic. Let's see what we have next. Oh, this cover is beautiful. The Forbidden Book. Wow. Author of When the Angels Left the Old Country. Isn't that beautiful? Seriously. This book comes out, this is on the back, July 29th. Got some reading to do, friends. Got some reading to do. You can see all of the dust and cat hair flying around. I need to vacuum down here. Kind of gross. Sorry about that. Markless. Oh, another beautiful one. Some YA in the house today. Let's go. I actually do read some YA in the summer. School year, not so much. I actually just finished a YA book, so killing it. 2 YA books through 5.5 months of the year. So maybe now I've got a little more time. I don't have 5th graders looking at me every day. Maybe I can read some more YA. All right, let's see. These are the very unique boxes that HarperCollins sends, so we appreciate how recyclable all the materials are in there. Okay, let's see what we got. This looks fun. Look at this, the Squish. Just got bigger, taller, and stronger, so I'll never get squished again. Let's just look at the beginning. So fun. Oh, this looks cool. Emergency Quarters. That looks really beautiful. I love Gracie's art. It's just gorgeous. I'll be reading those picture books tonight. Another chapter book, the Plum series, To the Rescue. You may have read the other ones in the series. Give you a peek inside. See that text in there. The Through a Clouded Mirror. That sounds intense. Very exciting. Just one second. Sorry about that. Dehumidifier rocking down here in the basement. Waking the Dead and other fun activities. What in the world? I was proud of the fact that I screamed. I was not proud of the fact that I screamed, but I did loudly. And the absolutely should not still be alive kid screamed back. Oh, sounds fun. The Strange Wonders Roots. Beautiful cover there. Noah Fry gets crushed. I actually love this cover, and I would want to read this book just based on the cover. Observation: major changes in friendship dynamics have been observed for the last 2 weeks. Question: if I joined with the boy talk, could things get normal again? I don't know. The Redemption of Dia Keene. Look at that beautiful cover. Cover designers these days. Lighthouse and the Little Boat. Aww. I like to show inside when I get it. Very cute. And we have Mr. Pie's, I think Pies, Perfect Shapes, the story of an architect. I love picture book biographies that teach us about people that we might not know a lot about. That's so exciting. I love architecture and design and all that stuff. All those suits. Can't wait to read that one. Thank you, HarperCollins, for all of those. We got some Lee and Low books here. They're always making awesome books. Let's see what they have in store for us today. Tenacious, 15 adventures alongside disabled athletes. Wow, especially with like the Paralympics coming up this year. That's exciting. Wow, what a beautiful book to add to our collections. Let's go. So exciting. All right, here. We're having some fun. Hopefully you found something great to add to your to-read list. Always want to have your to-read list going. My to-read list is out of control. But it's fun. It's fun to read great books. Okay, Soul Step. So there's just some names, right? And there's one, Jewel Parker Rhodes equals must read. So I don't has Jewel Parker Rhodes with Kelly McWilliams, and Brianna Uchendu has illustrated this. I don't know. You might know if Jewel Parker Rhodes has done a picture book, but I do know I will be reading this. So let's have a peek inside. Oh my, that's beautiful. Yeah, we will be reading this one real soon. A big day for Bike. Oh, that's exciting. Good luck, Bike. Beep, beep. Gosh, so many such talent in the illustration world these days. Sparrow Loves Birds. Well, that's exciting. Is Sparrow the girl's name? Maybe. Very cool. We've got an early reader here. We gotta love Reggie. Reggie, Penguin in Charge. Yeah, Reggie, so good. Be reading that this summer. Vegas, Piece of the Sky. I've been wanting to read this. I don't know why I haven't yet. So I'm excited. I need to read this. Jennifer Torres is a phenomenal writer, so I need to just prioritize it and read this book. Like this shirt. My fifth graders bought me this shirt. I'm so seen. Sumo Libre. Let's go. That's so fun. Look at that. Well, what first grade class, kindergarten class wouldn't want to read that? Let's do that. And then Chris has a new series. You know him from Land of Stories, and he was on that TV show. What TV show was that? I don't know. They all watched that TV show. Was it like Glee maybe? I can't remember. Roswell Johnson Saves the World. So we got a beast of a series. Land of Stories was such a popular series. It still is such a popular series, so that's exciting. Let's try to do one more box, and then we have to get to reading, because there's so many books to read. So exciting. All right, let's see what we have here. All kinds of books. We have some recycling to do. Holy moly. Okay, so my own kids, my two youngest, 7 and 9-year-old, they're kind of obsessed with soccer. And they're always asking me, who is better, Ronaldo or Messi? Of course I say Messi. Of course. And they say, no, Ronaldo. And then they like do the gritty. I don't understand. So maybe we'll have to read this book about Messi. Oh, this one's in Spanish. That's cool. They are not going to be thrilled to see this because they're big Ronaldo fans. But the kids, they will be thrilled to see this. Very exciting. Once Upon a Mermaid's Tale. Looks breathtaking. Ooh, intriguing. Got some little early reading board books here. Feels a little soft little belly on the. Oh, look at that! Oh, is that a duck? I love ducks. Oh my goodness. I love a good, is that a duck? Yeah, it's a duck. I love a good loon. Big fan of loons. Moon bear. Oh, I don't even know. Just screams bedtime to me. Cuddle up with my little children. Wonderful Me. A first guide to taking care of yourself. Cleaning your room, brushing your teeth. I hope that's in there. Taking care of your clothes. Human body, up close and incredible. An interactive adventure with a 3D magnifying glass. My son just finished not AP. He just finished a Nat Phys in high school. And I should give this book to his teacher because it's kind of, I should show her. It's awesome. I'm gonna have to show you. Big gymnastics family here. Simone Biles, let's go. So excited to watch her compete this summer. Oh, let's do it. The Body Confidence book. Wow, is there anything more important for kids to learn? That's pretty important. Pretty important. Colossal Words for Kids. 75 tremendous words neatly defined to stick in the mind. We just read Katie Camillus Ferris. It's back there in that stack back there. And the teacher in that book was such a lover of words and getting kids to learn so many unique and fascinating words. So I bet that teacher would love this book. Oh, that's cool. It must be fun to just have like one of these like up on like the projector in the morning. And it's just like something that kids read. Thinking, summer, shouldn't be thinking like that. Just kidding, it's okay. A damsel not in distress. Look at her living her best life. Living her best life. Ooh, that's beautifully designed. A damsel not in distress. Adnan, the boy who helped his mommy remember. That sounds really intense. Oh my. What's this book about? They have a new home. Journey was not easy. Okay. Wow. Excited to spend some time in that story. I love my bike. What a summer read. It's biking time. I want to go around the... Oh, look at that. Oh, what happened before that? Oh, they were learning to ride a... Seriously. It could be all teary-eyed. Kids Field Guide to Birds. Very exciting. Friends, I hope you found something awesome to add to your to-read list. I have so much to read, so much to clean up. Thank you so much again. My name is Colby Sharp. I hope you have an awesome-tastic day.